Home Remedies presents Detoxify your entire body with this superb foot soak. Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon and good evening to all my viewers. Hope you all are in good health. I am Rabia and would like to tell you that today's video is going to be simply amazing, as I will share a great foot soak remedy with you today that will relax your entire body. So let's start. We demand a lot from our feet. They carry our bodies around all day, often from within uncomfortable shoes. It's no wonder many of us end up with varicose veins, cracked heels, fungal infections, etc. Fortunately, there is a simple solution to all your problems. And obviously, being a naturopathy and owning a home remedies channel, I will talk about ingredients that can be found in your kitchen. Isn't it great? I really sometimes find it incredible when great remedies involve such basic ingredients. Foot soaks are an incredible way to destroy bacteria and fungi, ease the pain, relax the feet, and detoxify the entire system. I have tried this one effective, soothing foot soak, which you must try as well. Ingredients: 1/4 cup of baking soda, juice of 1 lemon, 8 cups of water. Instructions: add baking soda to your foot basin, cover with warm water, and then squeeze in the juice of 1 lemon, and you are done. Then just sink your feet in it, give it a little swish, and soak for about 20 minutes. Take the feet out of the water, pat them dry with a towel, and exfoliate them with a brush or an exfoliating sponge. Baking soda is incredibly versatile, but when it comes to your feet, it can be a true miracle worker. It controls bad odor, destroys bacteria and fungus, treats the sore skin, and softens the skin. On the other hand, the lemon will act as a potent astringent, preventing excessive sweating and improving skin health. It will also leave a wonderful fresh scent. Moreover, this foot soak will detoxify the entire body, since it will absorb all toxins and waste through the feet and cleanse your system. Advocates claim that a foot detox method can balance the pH levels of your body, improve mood, relieve stress, treat swellings, boost the immune system, destroy harmful microorganisms, help weight loss, and improve heart health. Therefore, try this amazing relaxing foot soak and take all its health benefits. If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye